Welcome to the Book MBA channel. Today, we're distilling a century of wisdom from perhaps the greatest investor of all time, Warren Buffett. While there isn't one single book titled 100 Success Lessons from Warren Buffett, countless authors and analysts have meticulously extracted his principles from his letters to shareholders, interviews, and speeches. What we're presenting today is a comprehensive synthesis of the core philosophies that have guided the Oracle of Omaha to unparalleled success, not just in finance but in life itself. Get ready to download some serious wisdom, because this isn't just about making money, it's about living a life of integrity, discipline, and enduring value. Section 1. The Investing Philosophy, a Foundation of Patience and Principle. Buffett's investment approach is deceptively simple, yet profoundly effective. It's rooted in what he calls value investing, but it's far more nuanced than just buying cheap stocks. Invest in what you understand. Buffett famously avoids industries he doesn't grasp, like complex tech. He sticks to businesses whose fundamentals he can analyze thoroughly. Lesson 1. Know your limits. Think like a business owner, not a stock trader. When Buffett buys a stock, he sees it as acquiring a piece of a real business, with real assets and real earnings. Lesson 2. Ownership mentality leads to better decisions. Focus on intrinsic value. He doesn't care about daily stock fluctuations. He calculates the true value of a business based on its future earnings potential. Lesson 3. Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. Embrace long-term investing. Buffett's wealth isn't from short-term trading, but from letting quality investments compound over decades. Lesson 4. Patience is the ultimate virtue in investing. Buy businesses with durable competitive advantages. He seeks companies with strong brands, patents, network effects, or cost advantages that protect them from competition. Lesson 5. Invest in companies that can defend their turf. Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. This counterintuitive approach allows him to buy quality assets at bargain prices during market downturns. Lesson 6. Embrace contrarian thinking. Quality over quantity. He prefers to own a few outstanding businesses rather than many mediocre ones. Lesson 7. Concentration on conviction. Diversification against ignorance. Management matters. He invests in companies run by honest, competent, and shareholder-oriented management. Lesson 8. Bet on people of integrity. Cash is king when used prudently. Buffett always keeps a large cash reserve to pounce on opportunities when they arise. Lesson 9. Be prepared for opportunities. Avoid debt. He views debt as a dangerous tool that can amplify losses. Lesson 10. Financial freedom starts with debt reduction. Understand behavioral economics. He knows that human emotions, like fear and greed, drive market irrationality, which he exploits. Lesson 11. Master your emotions. Don't let them master your money. Simplicity is genius. His investment philosophy isn't complicated, but it requires discipline. Lesson 12. Complex strategies often hide poor fundamentals. Don't be afraid to do nothing. Sometimes the best action is no action, waiting for the right opportunity. Lesson 13. In investing, inaction can be a powerful tool. Look for high returns on capital. Companies that can generate significant profits with minimal investment are highly attractive. Lesson 14. Efficiency drives profitability. Focus on earnings power, not just asset value. A company's ability to generate consistent income is paramount. Lesson 15. Invest in income-generating machines. Section 2. Life Principles Beyond the Balance Sheet. Buffett's success isn't solely about financial acumen. It's deeply intertwined with his character, habits, and worldview. Live within your means. Despite his immense wealth, Buffett lives modestly, still residing in the same home he bought in 1958. Lesson 16. True wealth isn't about spending, but about accumulating. Read voraciously. He spends hours every day reading annual reports, industry journals, and books. Lesson 17. Learning is a lifelong journey. Develop good habits early. Habits are like compound interest. They grow over time. Lesson 18. Build positive routines that serve your goals. Associate with people better than you. He believes in surrounding himself with individuals whose qualities he admires, allowing him to absorb their wisdom. Lesson 19. Your network is your net worth, morally and financially. Give back, philanthropy. Buffett has pledged the vast majority of his fortune to charity, emphasizing the importance of leaving a positive impact. Lesson 20. Success is amplified by generosity. Maintain integrity and reputation. He views reputation as an invaluable asset, easily lost and hard to regain. Lesson 21. Your character is your most valuable currency. Simplify your life. He avoids unnecessary complexity, focusing on what truly matters. Lesson 22. Clarity comes from simplicity. Practice saying no. He's selective with his time, declining opportunities that don't align with his core focus. Lesson 23. Protect your most precious resource, your time. Communicate clearly and honestly. His annual letters are renowned for their straightforward language and candid assessments. Lesson 24. Transparency builds trust. Be self-reliant. While he values advice, the ultimate decision-making power rests with him. Lesson 25. Take responsibility for your own choices. Develop a strong inner scorecard. He measures his success by his own standards, not by public opinion. Lesson 26. Seek internal validation, not external applause. Stay calm under pressure. Market crashes don't faze him. He sees them as opportunities. Lesson 27. Emotional control is paramount in high-stakes situations. Avoid envy and comparison. He focuses on his own path, free from the distractions of others' successes. Lesson 28. Your journey is unique. Comparing yourself to others is a losing game. Love what you do. He genuinely enjoys the process of investing and business analysis. Lesson 29. Passion fuels persistence. Be accountable. He takes responsibility for his mistakes and learns from them. Lesson 30. Mistakes are lessons in disguise. Section 3. Business acumen, the CEO's playbook. Beyond investing in public companies, Buffett is also a shrewd operator and leader of Berkshire Hathaway. Decentralized management. He gives his subsidiary managers immense autonomy, trusting them to run their businesses. Lesson 31. Empower your team. Focus on sustainable free cash flow. This is the lifeblood of any healthy business. Lesson 32. Cash flow is king in business operations. Understand the power of brand. Strong brands command pricing power and customer loyalty. Lesson 33. Build a brand, not just a product. Delegate effectively. He trusts his managers to make key operational decisions. Lesson 34. Don't micromanage. Be patient with acquisitions. He waits for the right price and the right fit. Lesson 35. Don't rush into deals. Culture trumps strategy. A strong ethical company culture is vital for long-term success. Lesson 36. Build a culture of excellence and integrity. Recognize the value of durability. He prefers businesses that are resilient and can withstand economic downturns. Lesson 37. Seek robustness over fragility. Bargaining power with suppliers, customers. Strong businesses have leverage. Lesson 38. Understand where power lies in your industry. Reinvest earnings wisely. He prefers companies that can reinvest profits back into their own growth at high rates of return. Lesson 39. Growth is fueled by smart reinvestment. Avoid fashionable industries. He often finds better value in mature, predictable industries. Lesson 40. Don't chase fads. Focus on fundamentals. Understand capital allocation. This is the most crucial job of a CEO, deciding where to deploy capital. Lesson 41. Master the art of resource deployment. Look for goodwill in acquisitions. The intangible value of a company's reputation, customer loyalty, etc. Lesson 42. Value goes beyond tangible assets. Simplicity in corporate structure. Berkshire Hathaway is surprisingly lean for its size. Lesson 43. Avoid unnecessary bureaucracy. Focus on real earnings, not accounting gimmicks. He despises earnings manipulation. Lesson 44. Transparency and honesty in reporting. Listen to feedback, but trust your judgment. He's open to ideas but makes his own calls. Lesson 45. Be receptive, but decisive. Section 4. Personal growth and wisdom, the sage's advice. Buffett's insights extend beyond the financial realm, offering a rich tapestry of life lessons. Time is your most valuable asset. You can't buy more of it, so use it wisely. Lesson 46. Prioritize relentlessly. Invest in yourself. Your mind and body are your greatest assets. Lesson 47. Continuous self-improvement pays the highest dividends. Embrace compound knowledge. Small bits of learning accumulate into significant wisdom over time. Lesson 48. Be a lifelong learner. Don't be afraid to be different. Chart your own course, even if it goes against the crowd. Lesson 49. Authenticity over conformity. Develop a strong moral compass. Ethics are non-negotiable. Lesson 50. Integrity is the cornerstone of lasting success. Find what you love to do. Passion drives motivation and excellence. Lesson 51. Align your work with your purpose. Recognize the power of systems. Build processes that work for you, not against you. Lesson 52. Structure breeds efficiency. Master your emotions. Don't let fear or greed dictate your decisions. Lesson 53. Emotional intelligence is a superpower. Be patient, again. This applies to personal growth as much as investing. Lesson 54. Great things take time. Focus on what you can control. Don't waste energy on things beyond your influence. Lesson 55. Redirect your energy effectively. Build a reputation slowly and carefully. It's easily destroyed. Lesson 56. Guard your name fiercely. Practice gratitude. Appreciate what you have. Lesson 57. A grateful heart is a wealthy heart. Avoid unnecessary complexity. Keep things simple in all aspects of life. Lesson 58. Simplicity is key to clarity. Learn from history. Patterns repeat, but circumstances change. Lesson 59. Study the past, but innovate for the future. Be a rational optimist. Believe in long-term progress, but be realistic about short-term challenges. Lesson 60. Hope for the best. Prepare for the worst. Understand human nature. It's a constant in markets and relationships. Lesson 61. Psychology drives much of human behavior. Don't underestimate the power of friendship. Strong relationships are invaluable. Lesson 62. Invest in your relationships. Develop a strong personal brand. Your reputation precedes you. Lesson 63. Your personal brand is your promise. Be disciplined. Consistency is the bedrock of achievement. Lesson 64. Discipline is freedom. Maintain a sense of humor. Laughter eases life's burdens. Lesson 65. Don't take yourself too seriously. Take calculated risks, not reckless gambles. Lesson 66. Intelligent risk-taking is essential for growth. Master the art of valuation. Learn how to assess true worth. Lesson 67. Develop your judgment muscles. Learn from your mistakes. Don't repeat them. Lesson 68. Turn failures into stepping stones. Understand the power of incentives. People respond to them. Lesson 69. Design systems with clear incentives. Be selective with opportunities. Not every opportunity is worth pursuing. Lesson 70. Quality over quantity in pursuits. Recognize the inner scorecard. Live by your own principles, not external validation. Lesson 71. Authenticity is its own reward. Think critically. Don't just accept conventional wisdom. Lesson 72. Challenge assumptions. Develop a long-term perspective. Most good things take time. Lesson 73. Think in decades, not days. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes. They rarely work. Lesson 74. Sustainable wealth builds slowly. Surround yourself with talent. You become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Lesson 75. Curate your inner circle wisely. Practice good health habits. Your body is your temple.